You can't get much done in life if you only work on the days when you feel good. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. So constantly push yourself higher and harder until you reach your goals. Push yourself to grow into the person you know you can become. Friends, you learn something valuable from all of the significant events and people in this world. But you never touch your true potential until you challenge yourself to go beyond your self-imposed limitations. When things do not go your way, remember that every challenge, every adversity contains within it the seeds of opportunity and growth. Challenge and opportunities are meant to help you know who you are. Storms hit your weakness, but believe me, they unlock your true strength. So always believe in yourself and always stretch yourself beyond your limits. Your life is worth a lot more than you think because you are capable of accomplishing more than you know. You have more potential than you think. But you will never know your full potential unless you keep challenging yourself and pushing beyond your own self-imposed limits. Every challenge you face today makes you stronger tomorrow. The challenge of life is intended to make you better, not bitter. Challenges are something what makes life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. When faced with a challenge, look for a way, not a way out. There are no great people in this world, only great challenges which ordinary people rise up to meet. So be your biggest competitor, challenge yourself each day to be better than you were yesterday. Your mind and body need to be exercised to gain strength. They need to be challenged consistently and continuously. If you haven't pushed yourself in lots of little ways over time, if you always avoid doing the hard things, you will crumble on the inevitable days that are harder than you expected. So how can you provide healthy challenges for your both mind and body on a daily basis? What will you do today to walk the talk? Think on it, friends, till the time I come back again with a new prompt to your journey to self-reflection and self-improvement. Have a wonderful day ahead and Jai Hind.